So the last day of Jan Ashirwad Yatra, and with me I have Nitesh Raneji in Kankavli outside Prahar office. Yes, sir, what would you say?
No, we are getting tremendous response. People are spontaneously coming ahead. People have a lot of expectations from the central government. People have a lot of expectations from Mr. Narayan Rane. He is the son of the soil here. So people now know that the main question of unemployment that has been brewing in our this section of Maharashtra will be solved now. That's why with those expectations they are coming out and greeting him in large numbers.
But, this rally was also criticized the way things went wrong few days back.
See, you have to understand that people who do not keep the nation building in front of their eyes, they will always do 24-hour politics. They have to understand that Mr. Narayan Rane is a union minister. He is a MSME minister. A lot can be done through that ministry. 60% of our country's GDP is directly related to his ministry. So if they sensibly think and take advantage of this ministry, I'm sure that they will stop protesting and they will come ahead and help us in order to for this area to grow.
Continuously you have been working, both the brothers. It seems that the rally was well organized Jan Yatra.
See, it is not us, it is our entire, it's a team effort. The entire Bharatiya Janata machinery, Bharatiya Janata Party machinery, right from the central to the state machinery, we have been working very closely with them. We have it's an entire big parivar of Bharatiya Janata Party. So the success of this entire yatra goes to everyone.
In a way, Narayan Raneji is moving ahead, but somewhere, like what we are hearing from Sanjay Raut also, he is continuously hitting somewhere or the other. The way Raneji said that he is going to open one by one whatever he had experienced in last 39 years. But Sanjay Raut is also saying that we too have some kind of things, some secrets of Rane Saab.
I don't know what is he waiting for? If he has so many secrets, he should not control himself. He should let them out. He has a very big weapon in Samna. So I think he should start immediately from tomorrow, come out of the information, tell people what information he has, but then after that when the ball turns to our court and when we start speaking and when we start letting out information, then he should also face everything.
After successfully holding so many portfolios in Maharashtra, Rane Saab is holding MSME portfolio in the center. A huge responsibility for him. So all of the leaders in Maharashtra should look at the broader picture.
Ideally, because they should look at it as a very positive aspect, because the post-corona market, the most affected sector is the MSME sector. So ideally, if the state of Maharashtra and the government of Maharashtra takes this entire ministry in a positive aspect, they should work hand in hand with Mr. Rane. They should work hand in hand with the central government. Always fighting and always doing petty politics is not going to help our state. There is a large question of unemployment in our state. If we collectively want to solve it, we have to work hands in hand. There are time to do politics, it is only during elections. Now there are no elections around the corner. Let's all come together. We are ready to keep everything behind and let's all work together and ensure that the people and the youth of our Maharashtra get jobs.
Working for the common man and doing this yatra, should we say that keeping in mind 2024 elections is also one of the main aspects?
See, now the entire agenda of Mr. Modi ji and all the colleagues of the central government was very clear, is to remove a Jan Ashirwad Yatra. So the ministers who have been newly sworn in the central cabinet, they go in the people, they explain the success of the central government and they speak to people. 2024 is not even around the corner now, but the whole intention was very clear. Talk about what the central government has done for them, talk about the achievements, and that was rightly done in the last 10 days.
Will it feel good when somebody from the center calls Rane Saab in between the rally and asks him about his health?
See, we have taken experience of the Congress in 12 years. I myself was an MLA of the Congress party for 5 years. I have never witnessed this kind of support from a party when these kind of incidences happened. Every time when we used to be in the Congress and such incidents used to happen, so we used to be isolated. I have personal experiences about that. But what we are experiencing in the Bharatiya Janata Party is very new. is strengthening for people like us who are on the grassroots, and we welcome that. And that is why Bharatiya Janata Party is the biggest party. There are reasons behind it, and primarily because they stand behind their karyakartas. May it be the top leadership to the bottom leadership. Everyone was with us, and we are very proud about that.
So this was Nitesh Rane, very positive approach, and says that everything should be done, whatever efforts are being taken are for Maharashtra. With cameraman Gopal Harne, this is Pankaj Khelkar in Kankavli for India Today.